Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off your friends' online notifications. So if you see something pop up on your screen when someone comes online, well, this is easy to adjust. Go to System Settings, scroll on down under here, and we want to go to Notifications. Well, there's an entire category called Friends Notifications. Select this and choose the user, so Timothy. And then we have friend request notifications. This is turned on. Then we have online user. We have this turned on. And then here's where we want to go. Notify friend when they go online. Okay. We can select this. We have all friends selected. We can go to best friends only or none. So if we don't want to see our friends come online, just go to none. Otherwise, just select best friends. So if you have a lot of people on your friends list, it probably gets annoying seeing everyone come online. So just adjust that right there. And you should be good to go now. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.